Hello, beloved people of God. It is Deja. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for being here. I love and appreciate you all. I just wanted to come on here and give a really quick word. As you guys see by the title, somebody is getting ready to move. Somebody is getting ready to move into an apartment, a condo, a house. You have been following the instructions of the Lord. It is the time, it is the season, it is the hour for you to be blessed with your new home, with your new place, with your new resting and stomping ground. I was sitting outside in prayer and just allowing the Lord to just minister to me. Again, I'm out in nature, which I like to be out in nature. I just know that God speaks to me out here. Glory be to God. And I saw a truck that drove by that said moving, along with other things that I'll talk about in separate videos. So look out for those as well. And I just want to encourage somebody today that yes, you are moving. Yes, the Lord is going to move you. And I pray for favor over this transition into your promised land, into this next phase of your life, into this next chapter in Christ Jesus' mighty name. Stay encouraged, stay at the feet of the Lord, get clarity, get instructions, and just stay in prayer, all right? If you feel led to sow into this word, you may do so using any of the links in the description section. Make sure that you are subscribed to this YouTube channel and go ahead and give this video a very big thumbs up for me. Share this word with somebody who needs to see it. I love you all so much and have a great day.